Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write the equation of the line if you're given slope and a y-intercept, or if you're given slope and a point. If you're given slope and the y-intercept, that's the easiest type here. All you need to do is plug it straight into the equation. And the equation that we're going to be using is slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Remember that slope is always your m, y-intercept is always your b. So if you're given those two things right from the beginning, just plug them in for m and for b and you're finished. If you're given the slope and a point, you need to do a little bit of work to find the y-intercept. So step number 1 is to plug your m, x, and y values into y equals mx plus b. Step 2, solve for b. And then step 3 is to rewrite your equation as y equals mx plus b using the slope you were given and the b that you just found. All right, so let's practice. Number 1 gives you the slope, which is 1/2, and a y-intercept of -6. So remember, slope just stands for m, y-intercept stands for b. So we're going to plug it straight into the equation, which is y equals mx plus b. So m is 1/2, so I get y equals 1/2 x. And then b is -6. So you would get plus -6 here, but we don't want to have a plus and a minus right next to each other. So we're just going to put -6. That minus will represent the negative that's in the 6. And that's it. That's your equation. Now number 2 gives us the m and the b again. It's just written in a different format than number 1 was. So once again, I'm going to plug into y equals mx plus b. And I will end up with y equals 3x minus 1 because that 1 is negative, so I got to have a minus instead of a plus. Now we switch it up here with number 3 when we give you the slope and a point on the line. So remember, a point is always x comma y. So I'm going to plug into y equals mx plus b. My y is 5, so I'm going to get 5 equals m, which is my slope, is -2. So I'm going to have -2 times my x, which is -3, plus b. And now I need to solve for b. First step is to multiply. -2 times -3 is 6. So I have 5 equals 6 plus b. And then I subtract the 6 from both sides, and I'm going to get b equals -1. The last step is to write your equation. Y equals my slope, which is -2, x, and then my b is -1. So my equation is y equals -2x minus 1. Number 3 is the same idea. M is 4, x is -1, y is 2. So again, I'm going to use y equals mx plus b and plug everything in. All right, y is 2, so 2 equals 4 times -1 plus b. 4 times -1 is -4, so now I have 2 equals -4 plus b. And to solve for b, I would add the 4 to both sides, and I get 6 equals b. So my equation is y equals 4x plus 6. That 6 is positive, so I want to have a plus sign. So my equation is y equals 4x plus 6. Number 5, m is 3/4, x is -8, y is 5. So again, I'm plugging into y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to get 5 equals 3/4 times -8 plus b. 3/4 times -8 is -6. So I get 5 equals -6 plus b. And to solve, you would add 6 to both sides. And you get 11 equals b. So my equation is y equals 3/4 x plus 11. Last one, slope again, which is m, is -1/3, x is -4, y is -6. I'm going to use y equals mx plus b. So I get -6 equals -1/3 times -4 plus b. Now -1/3 times -4 is 4/3, so I get -6 equals 4/3 plus b. It's okay to get fractions here, guys. That's why you have calculators. We're going to subtract 4/3 on both sides, And you're going to end up with b equals negative 22 over 3. So my equation is y equals 4/3 x minus 22 over 3. And that's it. That's how you write the equation of a line, either given the slope and the y-intercept, or given the slope and a point.